Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aayush and today I'm gonna draw my first ever split drawing from Boku no Hero Academia. So today's drawing is going to be a split drawing which I'm doing it for the first time, and it's going to be from Boku no Hero Academia Season 3. So this drawing is dedicated to the Season 3, and I'm gonna draw 4 main characters from the series, which are Izuku, All Might, Tomura, Shigaraki, and All for One. So on the right side we'll have 2 superheroes, and on the left side we'll have 2 villains. So for today's sketch I'm going to use A4 size paper, and we will need a perfect square of 6 centimeters each side, and we'll draw it exactly on the center because it's going to be a split drawing, but the box will be on the lower side of the page, and I'll be also sharing their exact measurements on the screen so that you can also draw the box where it needs to be. And for drawing remaining characters, All Might and All for One, I'll again draw 2 more boxes which I am not going to show now. I will give their measurements when I'm drawing it, so it will be while I'm drawing it. And for the materials, I'm using a 0.5 mechanical pencil for sketching, an electric eraser for more precise and accurate erasing. For inking, I'm using a G pen with a G nib, and the ink which I'll be using is Deleter Type 4 ink, a white pen for giving highlights to a drawing, a charcoal eraser for erasing pencil lines after inking and also for dust free erasing, and finally some Copic sketch markers for coloring our drawing. And that's all we need for drawing today's sketch. We are good to go, so let's get started.
You're gonna break my heart. You're gonna tear it apart. No matter what you do, I'll still be there for you. And when you call my name, I won't be far away. No matter where you go, you'll never be alone, be alone,
drawing is complete. What should I say? I am so surprised. I'm so happy with this drawing. I knew that it was going to be a good piece of art, but I didn't know it would look so good. This actually looks like a perfect poster for Boku no Hero Season 3, because in Season 3 these characters are going to be the main focus in the series, and I must say it was such a challenging drawing. There are 4 characters in one page. It's a full page drawing again, and there are so many detailings in this drawing, and it took me so long to finish this drawing. I don't even remember the number of hours I spent on this drawing, but it was so much fun to draw this, also because it was my first split drawing, and I'm so in love with these characters because I am a big fan of Boku no Hero, and the season 3 is going really awesome. Last episode was so great. I am desperately waiting for the next episode, which is going to come next week. And a lot of you were also requesting for a drawing of Tomura Shigaraki. Even I drew him for the first time, even though I only drew half part of him, but still I enjoyed a lot. And I'm so happy with the background. It turned out so good and it looks so meaningful. You'll know if you are watching the new season. And again, this drawing has become my new favorite drawing. I know it happens very frequently, but I mean it every time. The most challenging part in this drawing was actually the sketching, and the most fun part was the coloring, obviously. But overall, I enjoyed it a lot, and I am really happy with how it turned out. You should give it a try too. I know you will also enjoy drawing this, and I hope the video is helpful and you enjoy the video. If you did, then drop a like and share your views down below in comment section. Share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch it and draw this drawing. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome drawings and videos. Also, you can ring the bell to get notified whenever I am on YouTube, and you can also follow me at Twitter, Instagram and Facebook at Aayush to get my daily updates, and I'll be also sharing the links down below, so go check them out. And yes, before going, my next video is going to be drawings from my subscriber video. So if you have not sent your drawings already to me, send it as soon as possible at ayushpencilart@gmail.com so that I can share your drawings with everyone in my next video. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.